Hi everyone. So in this video, I will tell you how we can do the conditional split. Okay, so let me start the build. So I've started the build. So we can see here whether it is running properly or not. Wait for some time. Yeah, so the build has been successfully done. So let me go to the SQL server. Let me check how many rows has been entered here. So these are the rows which has been entered here. So what I am doing, let me open my customer data here first. Okay, so this is the customer data which we have entered in this SQL server. So for example, say we need to do a conditional split stating that, let me copy all these and I'm entering two more entries. So let me rename the customer number. So I'm doing it at 7 and doing it at 6. Okay. And then I'm saying this is Shah and this is Shami. And the amount is saying it is negative 0, and this is negative 100, and this is 0. Okay, and this is in 2017 and this is in 2018. Okay, so let me save this file. So save. So I've done that. So let me restart my. So I'm stopping it, debugging it, and then I will restart it again. So the entry should be okay. So you can see that the 7 rows has been edited successfully. Let me go to the SQL server. Let me delete it first. If I am running it again, so it will be more. Okay, then I can. Okay, so this is blank. So what I will do, I will stop this package right now, and I'm asking it to run it again because I have deleted all the rows in the SQL server. So 7 rows has been successfully done, and then we can see here that 1 second, 7 rows has been executed or not. Yeah. So what I need to do in this Visual Studio, I need to do the conditional split. Okay, so how we can do this? So in this SSIS toolbox, we do have the conditional split here. So I'm taking this conditional split and dragging it here, and let me stop the debug. Okay. Now this is in the edit mode. I am asking conditional split to be done. Might take some time. Okay, so this is done. So let me rename it at okay. I'm taking this link, I'm editing this, and I'm saying the connection should be deleted from here, and I'm asking this input currency conversion should be go to conditional split. And then let me rename it as less than 0. So I'm saying the currency less than 0. So I'm editing it. What I'm saying. So these are the columns which has been entered here. So we need to do it with currency conversion. So this is, I'm saying it should go to error 1. What I'm saying, currency conversion. Okay. If the customer amount, and let me use the operators, is less than 0, or I'm saying if the condition, if it is less than 0 or equal to 0, then it should be the error 1. It should be reflected here. Well, then I'm saying amount is equal 0. Okay. So let me do this output. So this is done. Okay. So I'm saying this input should be right there. Now it will ask me because we have done this error condition. So now it is asking me, so what has to be exploited here? Error or the conditional split or default output? I'm asking error should be go somewhere else and this default output should be here. So all these entries. So let me show the entries also. So less than 0 and equals to 0, these two entries would be reflected somewhere else and these 5 entries should be added in this output, right? So this is done here. So what I'm saying, this conditional split is done here and I'm saying that this output should be okay. So what I'm doing, okay, so let me run this package. Firstly, we will be seeing whether the same has been done correctly or not. Okay. So if I am correct, then 7 rows we do have, 5 rows will be reflected here, 2 rows will be left. Okay, so you can see that 7 rows has been entered here, 7, 7, 7, and then you can see only the 5 rows has been entered in this destination output. So for example, say what if I'm stopping this. And let me check it in the SQL server also. So this is the SQL server. Let me delete all the entries. And let me search. This is blank. Now I will run this visual SSIS tool. Now I'm restarting. So what I can see that it should be, I have entered 7 rows, but it should be 5 rows, which should be reflected here. So let us see in the SQL, select all the query, and where I'm asking select all from this particular row, you can see less than 0 and greater equals to 0 has not been entered here. So this is good.